baking soda and castor oil health uses explained my grandmother trusted two things more than modern trends: a tiny jar of baking soda and a bottle of castor oil that looked older than the television. At the time, I thought both belonged in a museum. Years later, after digging through research from the National Institutes of Health and the Mayo Clinic, I realized there was some real science behind a few traditional uses, just not the exaggerated miracle claims online. Simple ingredients. Practical uses: baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. It reacts with acids and changes pH balance temporarily. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, known for thick moisturizing properties. Together, they are often mentioned in home wellness routines, but they should be used carefully and realistically. 1. Dry skin support. Castor oil can help reduce moisture loss from dry skin areas. I started using a tiny amount on cracked hands during winter. The difference was subtle but noticeable after a couple of weeks. No instant magic, just healthier moisture retention. How skin moisture improves. Research in dermatology journals explains that oils help strengthen the skin barrier by slowing water evaporation. That is why thick oils may feel soothing on rough skin. 2. Scalp comfort. A small amount of castor oil on the scalp may help reduce dryness for some people, but using too much turns your hair into a greasy science experiment. Trust me, one bad pillowcase taught me that lesson forever. 3. Odor control. Baking soda is commonly used to reduce odors because it can neutralize acidic compounds. Some people use small amounts inside shoes or underarms. Avoid overusing it directly on sensitive skin because irritation is possible. 4. Gentle cleaning power. Baking soda works as a mild abrasive. I used it for cleaning stained cups long before realizing why it works so well. Just avoid aggressive scrubbing on skin. Gentle matters more than force. 5. Soothing warm compresses. Some traditional wellness routines combine warm cloths with castor oil packs for relaxation. Evidence remains limited, but warmth itself may help muscles feel more comfortable temporarily. 6. Digestive caution matters. Online videos often push baking soda drinks for stomach issues. This can be risky in high amounts. Too much sodium bicarbonate may affect electrolyte balance, especially for people with heart or kidney conditions. Moderation is essential. Not every body reacts the same. Some people experience skin irritation, digestive discomfort, or allergic reactions. Always patch test first and stop immediately if irritation appears. 7. Healthier routines matter most. The biggest benefit came from consistency with simple habits: hydration, sleep, balanced meals, and realistic self-care. No kitchen ingredient replaces those basics. Doctor guidance comes first, according to the World Health Organization. Health advice should be personalized, especially for people using medications or managing chronic conditions. Always check with a healthcare professional before trying home remedies regularly. Track changes realistically. I focused on small improvements over weeks: skin comfort, scalp dryness, and overall routine consistency. Sustainable habits worked better than dramatic expectations. Which home remedy surprised you most? If this video helped, leave a like. It supports more honest wellness content. Small changes can build better habits.